The balloon's burst is controlled.
Affirmative. The pressure is stable now.
Good. Prepare for final positioning.
Guide it slowly to the right. Watch the clearance on the crane. Steady, steady.
All right, slowly. Watch the alignment. Perfect. Now the fasteners.
The depth is holding here.
Understood. Preparing the team for deployment.
Strap secure. Check OK. Final adjustment.
Keep it steady. Looking good.
Affirmative. Balloons inflating.
2 meters clear. Adjusting tension.
The balloon's burst is controlled.
Affirmative. The pressure is stable now.
Good. Prepare for final positioning. Hold position. Steady, steady. Lifting now. Lifting now. Affirmative. Good. Good. Clear the water. Hold the position. Lower slowly. Ready on the deck. Just a few feet more.
All right, it's settling. All right. Coordinates matching. Prepare to secure. Chains are going on now. Check all attachment points.
Keep it steady at 2 knots. Copy that. Watching the load. Watch the drip rate on the starboard wing.
Affirmative. The vintage bomber is now inside. Affirmative. Proceed with caution.
The rust is really thick here. We're almost through to the original surface. Just need to keep the pressure steady. Looks like the extraction is keeping up well.
I've got this section logged.
Yeah.
Let me get this one near the wing. Looks good. Proceed to the tail.
Engaging the hoist.
Panel is lifting.
Clear of the fuselage.
Guide it slowly to the right. Watch the clearance on the crane. Steady, steady.
The diagnostic reports look clear. Everything appears stable on this end. Fan balance is well within tolerance. We're cleared to proceed.
Okay, moving this to the side. Checking the bearing tension.
The turbine blades are within tolerance.
Excellent. Documenting.
Écoutez.
The structural integrity looks solid here.
Installing the final section with precision. Confirmation logged. Proceed with final checks.
The measurements are exact.
Good. We can proceed.
Aligning the fin now.
All right, slowly, watch the alignment. Perfect. Now the fasteners. Keep the light steady on that seam.
Checking the schematics now.
The thermal signatures appear stable. Confirming readings on the second nacelle. Systems check initiated. All readings nominal.
Looks good, Bob.
Yeah, nearly there. Just the last touch on the window frame.
Perfect. She's ready. Keep it steady. Good to go. Okay, slowing down now. Clear all around. Setting the torque now.
Check the PSI.
Verified.
Looks good.
Engaging systems. Checking comms. Confirming all green on the board. We're good to go.